Raleigh sellers, don't get trapped by costly repairs before you move. Most homeowners waste weeks and thousands fixing up their homes before selling. Truth is, you don't have to. With our cash offer program, you sell as is. No repairs, no cleaning, no showings. Pair it with sold zero commission, and you'll keep more of your hard-earned equity while moving stress-free. I'm 𝐀𝐯𝐶, proudly affiliated with 𝐀𝐯𝐶 Real Estate, brokered by LPT Realty. DM cash today to avoid the repair trap and see what your home is worth.